So when you're talking about Amazon and brands, one very important program within Amazon is called the Amazon Brand Registry. This brand registry was originally created to help companies report infringing content, so a trademark infringement or a copyright infringement. And Amazon let companies and publishers use this to report people who were basically violating their copyright or their trademark, so such as a counterfeit item. But starting in about 2020, Amazon Brand Registry expanded to other types of benefits for participating companies, and that includes unlocking special marketing powers. That include things like sponsored brand ads, A+ content, store pages, and Amazon transparency. And I should say that A+ content and store pages, those are now available to other types of publishers. You don't need to be in the Amazon Brand Registry, but Amazon Transparency, you do need to be in the Amazon Brand Registry to do it. And Amazon Transparency, basically, this allows you to place a special barcode on your product that when the product is shipped to an Amazon fulfillment center, they'll scan it and they'll let the product come into the fulfillment center to be shipped out to customers. But if you don't have this particular barcode, or it's copied, or it was scraped off, Amazon will reject it. So this is a paid program, but it can help cut down on piracy, which really does happen on Amazon quite a bit. So that's why I participate in this particular program. The other thing I want to say about Amazon Brand Registry is you have to apply, and you'll need a trademark on the USPTO trademark registry, the principal registry. You need that in order to get your brand registry membership, and also to register other brands too. So if you have several brands, you'll need to apply for each one of the brands, and you'll need to have a trademark for that. So just wanted to mention that. Now, let's talk again about leveraging the data that Amazon gives you and how that relates to brands. So at the bottom data point there, you'll see something called brand demographics. And Amazon actually shares with people who are in the brand registry for certain brands things like demographic information of the people who are buying the product. So if you're on the Amazon Brand Registry and you have a registered brand with Amazon, you can start to get information like this from Amazon. This is showing me what the income levels are for many of my customers. I don't know how Amazon determined that, but this is very useful because maybe that can inform whether I need to develop some more, like, let's say, higher end products, or maybe where I need to concentrate my marketing to bring these particular levels up. Okay, or I might take a look at the demographics and say, oh, well, most of my customers, they're in the 50,000 to 75,000 income demographic, and my products and my marketing should reflect that. So this is just another way to think about the data that you're getting if you have a registered brand on Amazon. And also, one final thing, a registered brand on Amazon, that doesn't mean any brand. You really have to have a trademark in order to participate in that program. At that point, Amazon will consider you to be a legitimate brand.
That wasn't so hard, was it? There are many more videos in the totally free Amazon Masterclass. They're totally free. You don't have to pay anything. There's no gimmick or anything like that. So watch them at your leisure, skip around, and also be sure to like it if it helps you out. Thank you so much for watching.